Notice of intimidation not allowed: your name or organization, your address, city, state, zip code, email address, phone number, date. 2. Recipient's name or organization, recipient's address, city, state, zip code. Subject: formal notice prohibiting acts of intimidation. Dear, recipient's name, legal basis for this notice. This letter serves as formal notice that any form of intimidation, coercion, or undue influence is prohibited and will not be tolerated. Federal, state, and local laws, along with constitutional protections, safeguard individuals from threats, harassment, or retaliatory actions aimed at suppressing their rights. 1. Protection under the law. Legal statutes prohibit acts of intimidation, including but not limited to threats of violence, coercion, or abuse of authority. 2. Right to a safe environment. Individuals have the right to conduct personal, professional, and legal affairs free from intimidation or retaliation. 3. Accountability for violations. Any party engaging in intimidation may face civil and criminal consequences, including lawsuits, fines, or prosecution. 4. Unlawful pressure or coercion. Attempts to manipulate, threaten, or force compliance through intimidation will be addressed under applicable legal frameworks. Immediate required actions. 1. Cease and desist all intimidation tactics. Any current or future attempts at intimidation must be immediately halted. 2. Provide written clarification. If any actions were mistakenly interpreted as intimidation, provide an official written explanation. 3. Acknowledge receipt and compliance. Submit a written acknowledgement confirming receipt of this notice and commitment to compliance. Legal consequences for noncompliance. Failure to cease intimidation may result in civil and criminal liability, legal actions including restraining orders, lawsuits, fines, or criminal prosecution. Revocation of authority or employment consequences, possible termination, suspension, or removal from official duties. Public and legal scrutiny, exposure to investigations, reputational harm, and public accountability. This notice serves as official documentation that acts of intimidation are not allowed and any violations will be pursued through the appropriate legal and administrative channels. A response addressing this matter is expected no later than specific date. If further clarification is required, you may contact me at your contact information. Sincerely. Your name, your position, if applicable your organization name, if applicable enclosures, list any attached documents.